What's up guys, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the KRX 1000. Now with these kits, they come in 3 different stages. That way you can get the kit that best fits your needs. So you're going to have stage 1, 2, and 3. And if you buy everything in one kit, you're going to save a little bit of money, which is nice. So we're going to go through the individual upgrades that come in each kit. The first stage we're going to be looking at is stage 1, and that's going to come with the essential items for your side-by-side. So that includes a windshield, a roof, and some mirrors. So the windshield is a half windshield. It's polycarb, scratch resistant. It's going to deflect some of that wind, the dust, and other elements out of the cab, but still allow for some airflow on those hot days. So super nice. Next up, we have the alloy mirrors. Now you've got to be able to see what's behind you. These are super durable. They have a steel housing around them, and they mount up to the A-pillars, so you don't have a big bulky clamp going around your roll cage, and that way they don't interfere with the windshield. Moving on, we have the profile aluminum roof. Now this is a staple item for any side-by-side. It's going to give you some shade and protect you from the elements. And this profile aluminum roof is going to come in all 3 kits. Now moving on to stage 2, this kit offers some premium features without a big price increase over the stage 1. Now you're still going to get the polycarb windshield along with the profile aluminum roof, but you're also going to get upgraded mirrors and a rear window. Now for the mirrors, these things are super durable. These are the pivot folding mirrors. So if you hit something, they just fold out of the way and you can move them back out. Now for the rear window, it's a polycarb rear window, and this is scratch resistant, just like your half windshield. It's also gonna help enclose your cab and protect you and your passenger from the elements. Last but not least, we have stage 3. Now, this is the most premium kit out of all 3 stages, and you're going to be getting some serious upgrades. So what comes in this kit is, number 1, we have that same aluminum roof. You've got the pivot folding mirrors from stage 2, but the serious upgrades are going to be your folding glass windshield. You've got a rear glass window and a cargo barricade. For the folding glass windshield, the main features you want to know about are that it's going to give you full coverage in the front. It's made out of DOT laminated auto safety glass. This stuff is super durable, and it's going to stay looking clear for a lot longer than a polycarb window. Now, some other features are you have a vent down at the bottom. You can always open that up and let some airflow in. And you also have a windshield wiper if the windshield gets dirty. And then on the super hot days, when you want maximum airflow, you can always lay the windshield down. Now moving on to the rear glass window, this thing is super durable. It's a big upgrade over the rear polycarb window. And the reason for that is it uses the same DOT laminated auto safety glass as the front windshield, and it's going to stay looking clear for longer. And with this being more heavy duty, it's going to help dampen some of that engine noise coming from the back of the machine. Last up, we have the cargo barricade. Now what's nice about this is it helps extend the bed. You're going to have more room for your items, and it has several tie-down points to keep everything secure. So that's your closer look at the stage 1, 2, and 3 kits from Tusk for your KRX 1000. We hope this video helped you decide which kit is best for you. And once you decide which kit is best for you, we have how-to videos to help you get those kits installed. So pay attention for those. If you have any questions about the kits, leave those down in the comments below. And also check out our channel. We have a lot of other content on the KRX. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain. Thanks for watching.